The Alexander Solzhenitsyn languished for many years in a Siberian prison camp can perhaps account for the blank tone of many of his novels. Now, of course, do not try to say this person's name. It's difficult. I wrote this question. I know who he is, so I can say it. But I think oftentimes the GRE just gives you these crazy sounding names and you get tripped up. So that AS languished for many years. This is the key part here. This guy AS languished in a prison camp. So those are our key words. What does languish mean? Well, languish means to sort of waste away. And he's in a prison camp. Wow. So what word could go in the blank here? What sort of tone would someone's novels have if they've spent much of their life in a prison camp? And of course we can say, well, probably not a very happy one. So the unhappy, coming up with our own simple word here. So we start with bleak. Something that is bleak is depressing, unhappy. That works pretty well. Sentimental is full of emotions. You're crying, you're feeling deep emotions over something, but that's not quite the same as to be unhappy. So get rid of sentimental. Cogent is something that is persuasive and compelling. For instance, a cogent argument is one that you are likely to agree with. So that's gone because, again, we're going for unhappy. Sanguine sounds negative, but it actually means cheerful, and that is the opposite of unhappy. Persistent. So this is sort of a trap. The idea here is a persistent tone. Just means constant, not changing, going on and on. And so you think, oh, he's been in a prison camp and he's been there for a long time. He keeps going on and on. But we're talking about the tone of his novel. And it's not that it's persistent. It's that it's unhappy. It's bleak or grim. And so bleak and grim just mean depressing, without much hope. There are two answers.